Hello WordPress bloggers and content creators. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily find the top and newest trending keywords. So a good free tool to use is Google Trends. So for today, the number one thing everyone's searching for is the Women's World Cup. And then down here there are other searches. We see that Women's World Cup is one of the hottest things. So what kind of keywords should you try to target? So head over to my site here, go to keyword suggestions. This is a free tool. It tells you what is the most popular keywords currently that people are searching for relating to your keyword. So let me type in woman, and you can see here for Google, Yahoo, Bing, and YouTube, we got Women's World Cup, the World Cup standings, schedule, soccer scores. So these are keywords you can try to target to create content or blog posts about, or what's the hottest thing they're searching for currently. And you can also try some related keywords like World Cup. Again, it's similar. Okay, let's try out another keyword here. This is Aaron Rodgers, another trending keyword. Let's go back to the keyword suggestion tool, and here you can see it giving you some more related ideas. These are exactly what people are searching for, so you want to target this right here. So we got Aaron Rodgers contract, his age, pay cut stats. So check it out. It's a free tool. I hope it helps. Thanks so much for viewing.